Wait for me. Come with me. Listen to me. Start with me. Think about me. Talk to me. Write to me. Send to me. Look at me. Care about me. Repeat after me. Study with me. E a última, deixo com vocês. Call me. Deixe nos comentários. Every day I have. Yesterday I had. Tomorrow I will have. Sometimes I have. Last night I had. Next winter I will have. Will have. Every time I have. In 1927 I had. In 2039 I will have. Anytime I have. E a última é um desafio para vocês. Last year. Deixe nos comentários. I work as a teacher. I work as an engineer. I work in education. I work in marketing. I work for Apple. I work for a large company. I work at a bank. I work at a restaurant. I work at a school. E a última eu deixo com vocês. I work. Google. Deixe para mim nos comentários. Present simple, I do. Present continuous, I am doing. Present perfect, I have done. Present perfect continuous, I have been doing. Past simple, I did. Past continuous, I was doing. Past perfect, I had done. Past perfect continuous, I had been doing. Future simple, I will do. Future continuous, I will be doing. Future perfect, I will have done. Future perfect continuous, I will have been. You comment. Go home, go shopping, go outside. Example, I am going home. Go to work, go to bed, go to school. Example, you are going to school. Go on. Go on vacation, go on a drive. Example, we are going on vacation. Go for a run, go for a walk. E aqui um desafio para vocês. They are blank a run. Comment. Every day I do. Tomorrow I will do. Next week I will do. Sometimes I do. Maybe I can do. In 1963, I did. In 2045, I will do. Sometimes I do. E aqui um desafio para vocês. Last week You comment. Improve your English with me. Present past. I am. I was. You are. You were. He is. He was. I do. I did. You do. You did. He does. He did. I have. I had. You have. You had. He has. He. You comment. Improve your English with me. Follow for more. I am here. I was there. You are here. You were there. He is here. She was there. She is here. She was there. It is here. It was there. We are here. We were there. They are here. E aqui o desafio para vocês que chegaram aqui até no final. They blank there. Lembre-se que é no passado.